So here are some of the biggest lies that have ever been told in investing. And oh, we've got a good number on today. We've got well over 100, so that's good. By the way, I'm going to put up some polls, not Polish people, but polls as in P-O-L-L-S. Should be able to see them on the screen. Now, first of all, numpties think you need to be right and can be right 90% of the time. Absolute nonsense. What you're trying to do is give a long enough duration. The shortest, we're talking about investing and not trading now. The shortest duration would be 12 months. If you're holding it a little bit longer, and you always want a quality company, so the odds are in your favor, then you're more likely to be right. The other lie is, to put it in expert terms, is you need to be some kind of expert, and it takes rocket science. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you've got an IQ over 120 in asset management, everything above 120 is wasted. Okay, and it really is true. I really have to dumb down when it comes to investing. People like, from marketing literature, look, Warren Buffett said that, so even if you don't believe me, at least believe that man, and he's right. The marketing literature would like you to think, oh, he went here and he went there, he must be awfully clever, he can see in the future, he's far cleverer than me, and therefore let's create some kind of class system with investing. No, investing is like learning to drive. It is not like brain surgery where there might be some innate skill needed, or fighter jet flying. Okay, lie number 3, IFAs won't rip you off.